my collection of Revlon's super lustrous lipstick in cream finish.
Hi guys, so I've been wanting to share my lipstick collection with you, and this is from Revlon, and this is from their super lustrous line of cream finishes lipstick. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shades of cream finish lipsticks, and actually this is 9. I lost my rose velvet lipstick because it has melted a bit, and also I lost it somewhere, so no, I cannot give a swatch of that, but that one is my favorite, and I will give you some swatches of these lipsticks that I have. So we're gonna start with lightest to darkest, and I will start with Daylight Delight. Actually, this one is a pearl finish, but most of all my lipsticks are like cream finishes, so we'll start with this one. This is how it looks like, and I'll put it in my lips. So this is what the shade Daylight Delight looks like on me. This is actually a peachy coral shade on the lips, and it actually looks more nude to me. But yeah, I think this is my lips but better shade. Guys, again, this is my boyfriend Views, and I would like to have his remarks on my lipstick today. Anong tingin mo dito sa lipstick ko ngayon? Daylight Delight.
Maganda siya at kulay siya, nagbe-blend siya sa balat mo.
Ito kasing shade na to, my lips but better siya. So, parang lips ko siya, tapos better. Yan. So, nagbe-blend talaga siya sa balat ko.
Maganda.
Magaling mag-describe. Next shade that I will be swatching is called Rum Raisin. This is one of my favorites. I will be actually swatching my favorite colors or shades. There are actually 4, but right now I'm going to be swatching 3. Because if I will swatch everything, my lips will fall off. So I will swatch Rum Raisin in cream finish. So this is the shade Rum Raisin on my lips. Asman, anong tingin mo dito sa Rum Raisin?
Ganda.
Maganda.
Ate lang.
Ate lang?
Oh, ay parang kung madi-describe ko siya, parang ikaw yung isa sa mga dumaan na titang mataray.
Yan talaga vibe ko, mataray.
Wow.
Mukha talaga siyang mataray. Kasi ano to yung rum para siyang alak. So, pang ano talaga to, yung ano niya, yung shade niya is for elder women. Pero gusto ko tong mga ganitong shade. Especially mga mukhang mataray. So the last shade that I will be swatching is Raisin Rage, and this is my most favorite shade amongst all of these shades in my collection. Kasama talaga dapat yung Rose Velvet kaso natunaw na siya, saka nawala na. So, ito yun. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko, top 1. Saka sa lahat ng mga pictures ko, usually on Facebook and Instagram, I always wear this. You'll know why. Bigyan ko kayo ng backstory sa shade na to. This is, sumikat siya way back 80s or 90s. Then, supermodels wear this shade. Especially Cindy Crawford. This is the shade Raisin Rage, and this is one of the color families of Rum Raisin and Rum Berry. Rum Berry is this shade. I won't be swatching this one because this is too dark. I only wear this during clothes that I wear that are black and grungy or gothy clothes. Pero itong Raisin Rage, ginagamit ko rin siya sa mga goth clothes ko sa black, pero madali siyang bagayan. Ito kasi medyo mahirap siyang bagayan, to be honest. Ito kasi mainly ang color nito 70s, yung mga like 40 years old women na grungy ang mga makeup, yung mga parang merong hawak ng mga electric guitar, yung mga guitarist talaga or mga taga-banda noon, like si Cyndi Lauper. Yun. Yun. Ito yung shade na ginagamit nila sa mga music videos nila. And, ayun, medyo mahirap siya gamitin for everyday. Kasi, yung, pagka-maroon niya is more on blackish. More than ito. Ang dominant niya is plum and red. So, this is, Raisin Rage. Asman! Ang tingin mo dito?
Alam mo yung una ko na review na mataray na tita, ayan naman is mataray na hot mommy na dumaan.
Hot mommy naman.
Hot mommy na mas mataray pa doon sa hot tita.
So, taob siya, ganon.
Taob.
Taob siya. So, napataob ko yung kanina. Papasaba to sa kontrabida. Itong kulay na to.
Papasa pa sa kontrabida ng kontrabida.
Kaya pala. So, Maleficent. I will be posting all of the shades here. Ngayon, hanggang 3 lang kasi baka naman mamagay yung labi ko. Ayun, i-click nyo na lang yung orange app and search for Revlon and you will see Revlon's cream lipsticks in super lustrous line. Makikita nyo itong mga shades na to. Marami doon available shades that could fit your personality. You can be sweet, you can be hot, you can be anything you want actually. You can be sweet with this. It depends on your personality. You can experiment with lipsticks talaga. And it can complete your look. You can wear this like with no makeup right now. Well, hindi naman talaga ako nagme-makeup na. Pero before I was, I actually do wear a lot of makeup back in college. Pero ngayon that I am acne prone, I usually have acne yung in the middle of the month, lagi akong titubuan ng acne. I suggest to myself na hindi na lang ako mag-makeup and use lipsticks instead. That could actually bring up my mood. Kasi yung mood ko, nababago minsan ng lipstick, and also, you know the other secret. Yeah. So, click the yellow basket. Click the yellow basket here on the orange app.